Your comfort zone is composed of 4 things. Number 1, we already talked about it, looking good. We talk about this because your comfort zone is if you get rid of it, or even if you step a little outside of it, you actually may make a bigger difference for your kids because they see that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. Even if you have a conversation, I get scared when I do animal noises and I went to a workshop, so I'm going to try to do whatever. Have a real conversation with them. Comfort zone. How many of you like to be wrong? Raise your hand. How many of you like to be right? Raise your hand. Generally say about what? It doesn't make a difference. It's just a thing that's inside our bodies. We always have to be right. Why? See, I know the answer.
Power?
Could be.
Self-gratification.
Self-gratification. Well, see, there you go. Self-gratification. So here's the deal. Ready? This is the reason why we love being right. Because we are our own drug dealers. When we feel that we are right, we release dopamine, serotonin, endorphins, and oxycontin. No, that's legal heroin. Oxytocin. So 4 chemicals are released by our brain that give us that good feeling sensation. That's why it's so important for you to be right. Except you don't realize the cost of it. Does anybody, you don't have to raise your hand, does anybody here of anybody in there, there used to be somebody in their life, platonic, family, romantic relationship, that person, you love spending time with them, and they're not in your life anymore because it was more important for you to be right about something, which doesn't exist in reality but only in our mind. And you wonder what that person's doing. And you have an opportunity at 3 o'clock. Most people won't do it. If one person does it, that's all I want. One person can pick up the phone, call that person, and go, I'm sorry, I've been an ass. I was more committed to being right about so-and-so thing, and I don't care anymore. I want you in my life. Can we get a cup of something to drink? And 90% of people won't do it, that's fine. But if one person does and you have that person in your life, that's awesome. Does that make sense? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.